So, you want to know how email marketing works and what it can do for you, your business, or your passion? I'm going to walk you through all of that and more, but I just want you to know that you are in the right hands because I've been doing email marketing for over 10 years for many of my own businesses as an email marketing consultant and as an email marketing agency and as well a email marketing freelancer. So I've done a lot with email marketing. It is my passion, my joy, my love, and I know everything there is, and I'm going to share that all with you right now. Email marketing at its finest. Number one, what is email marketing? Simply worded, email marketing is the ability and process of collecting, storing, and being able to follow up with a set of emails stored in a database. It also means the ability to send out or broadcast emails manually or automatically to this database. Number two, how does email marketing work? Well, it works just like this. You have a page that has a form where someone can put in their email to request more information or to learn more about a product, service, or anything that they want to learn more about. So on this page, called an opt-in page, they put in their email. Once they do that, two things happen. Number one, they are instantly put into a tool that stores their email called an autoresponder or CRM. It has two different names that you can call it. In this autoresponder or CRM, they are stored as a lead or as a subscriber. From there, as you collect more leads from this autoresponder and from the CRM, you are able to email them both manually and automatically follow-up emails. So they can get emailed about different product and services, the same product and services, just YouTube videos you want to send them. It doesn't matter. Secondly, they are also immediately directed to the next page in your sales process or in your funnel. So say, for example, we have a funnel that starts with an opt-in page where they're able to put in their information because they want to learn more maybe about cat toys. You sell cat toys. Let's imagine that. You sell cat toys on your website or on a page, and you have a form in there where they can learn more about your cat toys, where they can opt in to get a discount. There's a variety of different ways you can word it. So they put in their email. They now are put into the database where they can be emailed automatically or manually. Secondly, they are immediately directed to the next page. So after the opt-in page, you may want to direct them to buy a certain cat toy or to see a cat toy checkout page. You can direct them to a video, to any URL, any website, any page you want. And that's what happens immediately after they opt in as well. So now that you understand what email marketing is and you understand how it works on a simple understanding level, because there's many layers of email marketing, how can you use email marketing to make your business more profitable, reach more people, expand your business, your passion, or just to reach more people in general? You are able to make email marketing extremely profitable and extremely expansive in its reach when you're able to collect a large amount of leads. Because with email marketing, you're able to reach all these leads in your email database, in your autoresponder or your CRM, immediately and reach all of them, no matter the numbers, in a few minutes. So you can email and contact 20,000, 5,000, 100,000, a few million people in a split second of hitting a send button when you go to send out an email. That's how impactful email marketing is. So if you get a large enough list of people who are interested in cat toys and you email them daily about cat toy videos, cat toy products, cat toy services, cat toy, you name it, a lot of them are going to be interested in that and want to buy, learn more, and follow you. As well with email marketing, you have the ability to upsell, downsell, resell customers, deliver value, deliver training, deliver education, and so much more. You can entertain people, entice them, educate them, because with email marketing, there is no person that can shut you down. There is no one controlling your messaging. There is no one who can change or alter what you are delivering in your email content to your subscribers, to your leads, other than you or the person running the business. You dictate and decide what is sent out to your leads and your subscribers. And most often people use email marketing and want to learn more about it because they want to expand their reach large amounts of people that they're in control of, not literally, but in the sense of they're able to control the messaging they receive. Versus when someone is a follower on a social media network, they're also receiving a lot of communication from a lot of different people, And also, they're not always going to see your content. But with email marketing, your subscribers and leads will always get delivered to their inbox your email when you send it out. So people want an expansive ability to communicate in a way that converts, that works, and that people use. Now, there are some email marketing haters who believe that email marketing is not profitable, it doesn't work anymore, and a variety of different false beliefs. Here's why that is not true and why email marketing is still the best form of communication that you can have with just about anyone, especially customers and leads. Drum roll, please. Email marketing is the highest converting form of marketing ever, which means that with email marketing, you can build your influence, you can build your passion, build a follower base, sell anything and everything you'd want. You can do anything with the email marketing database, email marketing list. Now, finally, I just want to give you some last few tips on how to make sure your email marketing efforts go great. And I also, after this little portion, I'm going to give you some autoresponders and CRMs you can use for your email marketing efforts. These are going to come fast, by the way, so listen up. Number one, you need to email market or send emails to your list of emails on a daily or every other day basis, because there is so much competition in the world with so many different headlines and people trying to reach out to your consumers, your audience, your followers from so many different directions. You need to stand out. And one of the ways you do this is by the quantity of your follow-up, the quantity of your emails you send every single day or every single week, or however often you decide to email, which I recommend to be often. Number two, you need to make sure you have a very high quality of the emails you are sending out. So don't just send out a paragraph and a link to buy something. You want to entice, educate, and entertain your leads on your email list. This means you want to entertain them with videos, with things that make them laugh, with things that are curious, that are interesting. You want to entice them by offering great deals, discounts, a variety of packages, and you want to educate them by teaching them, by showing them how to do things, what to do, and why they should get a certain product, service, you name it. So entice, educate, and entertain is number two, which is quality of your emails. Number one is the quantity. Email often and email really great stuff. Now, the big discussion and question is, who should you use for your email autoresponder? Who should you use for your CRM? I have number one recommendation that I use and suggest, and I think is the best in the industry, and that is ActiveCampaign. There will be a link in the description of this video that will bring you to ActiveCampaign to potentially become a customer. You can start as a free trial and see how it goes. I highly suggest using ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign, by the way, is a CRM and also an autoresponder. So it does a lot of different really cool stuff that you can use to follow up with and engage with your leads and email list. Number two, I do suggest that you join or become a part of either join ActiveCampaign, or number two, use GetResponse. GetResponse is another really great autoresponder / CRM that you can use too as well, just like ActiveCampaign does. You want to use either one of them, not both, either one. It will allow you to collect, follow up with, and communicate and engage with your leads in a variety of ways. So there you go, my friend. There you go. That is how email marketing works. That is why you should use email marketing. And those are some tools I just gave you that you can use for email marketing. Now, if you have any other questions or thoughts, or you want to learn more about email marketing, what you can do is comment below on this video what your question is, what you want to learn, and I will make a video on it, or I guarantee you I will respond to you and get back to you with an answer to your question or another thought to the thoughts you give. That is all I have for now on email marketing. If you want to learn more about email marketing or how business works, just continue following along with the other videos on my channel. And I always make sure I do videos that are truly helpful, where I actually teach, educate, and give to people, because it is my passion and I actually love and enjoy giving value, helpful information, and really just giving to people in general. So enjoy, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, you name it, and you should go check out my other videos. I'll hopefully see you in another video